Hey guys, I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Welcome to my channel. This will be my final video for 2023. I had a few projects that I wanted to finish by the end of 2023. Here is a gorgeous quilt that I quilted for my mom for Christmas. It turned out spectacular. The quilting on this is very detailed. It has a lot of free motion element to it. I did it on my Longarm machine and I just love the way that it came out. It's bright, it's floral, it's springy, it's happy. And she loved that quilt. That was on my to-do list for the end of 2023. And then there's this project right here. I'm not even going to count how many times this has been on my work in progress to-do list, right? All of the pieces are sewn for this project. They have been sewn for this project for probably 8 months now. I just have not sewn them together to make the full quilt top. It's not complicated, but it is like it takes some focus to make sure that you have all of your triangles going the right way and you have the right pieces, because there is like an A triangle and a B triangle for each color, right? It's an amazing pattern. This is the pattern right here if you want to look into that. It's a gorgeous pattern. I love it. It's very simple and easy to follow. I would put all those pieces up on my design board and then something else would come up and I wouldn't have the time to work on it and put it together. I think, okay, I'm just gonna pull them off my design board and I'll get to it next week and I'll put them in a bag nice and neat and tidy. Enough is enough. This is gonna be done by the end of 2023. I have not decided how I wanna quilt it yet, but I do have a backing for this quilt already picked out. I've been working on this quilt because I refuse to go into 2024 having that quilt still in pieces, and I'm not pulling it off my design board one more time, right? So I have been quilting on this, getting those pieces together. So far I've got most of the rows done, or I guess you could say columns. I've got most of the columns done, and I am working towards getting that final one done. Then I'll sew the columns together and it'll be done. Like really, we're not looking at like a ton more time involved on this project, but it does make me very happy that it's almost done, and this is a quilt that is going to be gorgeous. I am in love with the fabrics for it. So that's really what my end of 2023 is looking right now. In 2024, I'm going to do kind of a recap video on what I did in 2023, how many quilts I've sewn, how many quilts I quilted and did on the Longarm machine. I am loving, loving, loving working on your quilts. You guys send the most gorgeous quilts. I hope that you are having a wonderful holiday season. I hope that you are getting things ready for the new year. There is absolutely nothing wrong with a couple extra cups of hot cocoa and doing all of the little cozy things that make you happy, pouring back into yourself, using that time for you to be able to go into 2024 with a fresh, relaxed state. If you are able to finish all of your holiday projects, the ones that you are giving as gifts, I want you to put this emoji right here down in the comments for me. If you are not able to finish all of your gifts, I want you to put this emoji down in the comments, okay? Let's see how many people were able to finish their gifts and how many people are gonna have to take a rain check instead of a present this year, all right? I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your week. It's like way late at night now, but something happened. I got the itch to just check it off my list completely. Look at this. You see this behind me? I know, that's all a mess. It's still a mess. But look at my quilt. I'm out of the way so you can see like the yellow all the way down. She be done. Yeah, quilt top's done.